Hello and welcome. This is Ali and you are watching When Ali Travels, and today I'm going to take you inside Perfume house where you are going to get the experience how we were making the perfume back in the days, which kind of equipment we were using and which kind of ingredients we were using to prepare the perfumes, because this house it is dedicated to the rich tradition perfumery in the region, and this is also highlighting the cultural and historical significance of the perfumes in the Emirates life, in the Emirati life. Please subscribe the channel to get the latest videos on Van Ali Travels.
About Maktoum, Al Maktoum family. The ruler of Dubai right now is Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He was born in the Shimbara area, not in this house, but 2 houses further. So the ruler of Dubai, who is now the boss of Dubai, he was born here in Shimbara. His auntie, she used to live in this house, and her name was Sheikha Sheikha. For a lot of Emirati families to make their own perfume. What we have on the display here, these different tables, is the most important ingredients for the traditional perfume. What they use to put in the perfume. And the most expensive, like very, very expensive. So have a look around. The big word is like what it is, what it is made from, like wood is from the tree, is wood. And then we have the sandbox. You press the button and you can smell. You can smell the difference, like a tree coming from India or a tree coming from Indonesia. And a cheaper version is the synthetic or the artificial one, which is lighter. So have a look around at the different scent tables. Yes? Important for the culture, and it goes back thousands and thousands of years. It's not only to use to perfume the body, but also to perfume our clothes or to perfume the house. If you perfume the house, it means you are welcoming the guests. So if you have family coming over or friends coming over, they will perfume the house to make the people feel welcome. A lot of local families, they gather on the Friday. Friday is the big day in the Islam to get together and to go for the big prayer. They usually gather in their room, which is a ladies, they sit separate from the men. Because the ladies, they all, and the men, they talk about cars.